speak very loudly about the war.
जेलेंस्की ने सुनाया तो ट्रंप ने भी हड़काया.
The problem is, I've empowered you to be a tough guy, and I don't think you'd be a tough guy without the United States.
ऑन कैमरा वर्ल्ड मीडिया के सामने जेलेंस्की ने अमेरिका को धमकाया.
Let's start from the beginning. Sure. First of all, during the war, everybody has problems. Even you, but you have nice ocean and don't feel now, but you will feel it in the future. God bless.
You don't know that.
God bless.
You
God bless. You will not have it.
यूक्रेन के राष्ट्रपति अमेरिका गए ट्रंप से बातचीत करने. ट्रंप ने गर्मजोशी से जेलेंस्की का स्वागत भी किया. खुद दरवाजे पर उन्हें रिसीव करने आए. लेकिन उसके बाद जो हुआ उसे पूरी दुनिया ने लाइव देखा.
Please, you think that if you will speak very loudly about the war, you
He's
can...
not speaking loudly. He's not speaking loudly. Your country's in big trouble.
Can I
Wait a
answer?
minute. No,
Can
you've
I
done a lot of talking. Your country is in big trouble.
I know.
You're not winning.
I know.
You're not winning this. You have a damn good chance of
We are
coming out
staying,
okay because of
Mr.
us.
President, we are staying in our country, staying strong from the very beginning of the war. We've been alone, and we are thankful. I said thanks
You haven't
in
been
this
alone.
cabinet,
You
and
haven't
not
been
only
alone.
in this cabinet.
We gave you, through
I
this
said
stupid president, $350 billion.
You voted
we gave
for
you
your
military
president.
equipment.
You
and
voted
you
for
men
your
are brave,
president.
but they had to use our military.
What about
If you didn't have
You
our
invited
military
me-
equipment,
you invited
if
me
you
to
didn't
speak.
have our military equipment, this war would have been over in 2 weeks.
In 3 days, I heard it from Putin. In 3 days, this is something
Maybe
new.
less.
In 2 weeks, of course, yes.
It's going to be a very hard thing to do business like this.
व्हाइट हाउस के ओवल हाउस में जब जेलेंस्की और ट्रंप में बहस हो रही थी तो पास में उपराष्ट्रपति जेडी वेंस भी बैठे थे. मीडिया के लोग भी थे. जो कुछ हो रहा था, जो कुछ कहा जा रहा था, सब कैमरे के सामने खुल्लम खुल्ला हो रहा था. खुद ट्रंप ने कहा कि जेलेंस्की क्या चाहते हैं ये पूरी दुनिया देखे, इसलिए इस बातचीत का लाइव टेलीकास्ट करवाया जा रहा है.
See, I think it's good for the American people to see what's going on over there. I think it's very important. That's why I kept this going so long. You have to be thankful. You don't have the
I'm
cards.
thankful.
You're buried there. Your people are dying.
tell you
You're
again,
running low
I
on
know.
soldiers.
Don't, please,
you're running
Mr.
low on
President.
soldiers. It would be a damn good thing.
Mr.
And
President.
then you tell us, I don't want a ceasefire. I don't want a ceasefire. I want to go and I want this. Look, if you could get a ceasefire right now, I tell you, you take it so the bullets stop flying and your men stop getting killed.
Of course, we want to stop the war.
But you're saying you don't want a ceasefire?
But I said to you,
I want a ceasefire.
with guarantees.
Because you get a ceasefire faster than an agreement.
Ask our people about ceasefire, what they think.
That wasn't
Doesn't
with
matter
me.
for you what
That wasn't
this
with me.
means.
That was
wasn't
with
you.
a guy named Biden, who was not a smart person.
But this
That
is
was
your-
with,
this
that was
is
with
your
Obama.
president. It was your president.
Excuse me. That was with Obama, who gave you sheets, and I gave you javelins.
Yes.
I gave you the javelins to take out all those tanks. Obama gave you sheets. In fact, the statement is Obama gave sheets and Trump gave javelins. You got to be more thankful, because let me tell you, you don't have the cards. With us, you have the cards, but without us, you don't have any cards.
दरअसल यूक्रेन के राष्ट्रपति जेलेंस्की मिनरल डील के लिए अमेरिका दौरे पर गए. जो मिनरल्स अमेरिका को यूक्रेन से चाहिए वो कोई साधारण मिनरल्स नहीं है, बल्कि रेयर अर्थ मिनरल्स हैं. इनमें लिथियम, टाइटेनियम, ग्रेफाइट, स्कैंडियम, वाइट्रियम, सेरियम, यूरोपियम, ल्यूटेटियम, प्रेसिडोनियम, सैमेरियम, टर्बियम, थूलियम, लेंथनम, नियोडाइमियम, प्रोमेथियम और होल्मियम जैसे मिनरल्स शामिल हैं. अमेरिका हर हाल में अपनी शर्तों पर ये मिनरल डील करना चाहता है. इसके लिए ट्रंप लगातार जेलेंस्की पर प्रेशर बना रहे थे. जेलेंस्की को अच्छे से मालूम है कि अमेरिका की नजर उनके रेयर अर्थ मिनरल्स पर है. जेलेंस्की ये बखूबी जानते थे कि अमेरिका को इन मिनरल्स की सख्त जरूरत है, इसलिए जेलेंस्की भी हार्ड डील कर रहे थे.
The problem is, I've empowered you to be a tough guy. And I don't think you'd be a tough guy without the United States. And your people are very brave. But you're either going to make a deal or we're out. And if we're out, you'll fight it out. I don't think it's going to be pretty, but you'll fight it out. But you don't have the cards. But once we sign that deal, you're in a much better position.